In this example, we're going to look at rewriting the sum of two numbers, so we know that 28 plus 42 makes 70, as an equivalent product. Now, a product is when two things are multiplied together. So what we're going to come up with is two different numbers that multiply together also to make 70. And we can work them out from the original sum. How we start then is to find the prime factorisation of 28 and 42. So 28 would be 2 times 14. 14 is 2 times 7. So 28 is the same as 2 times 2 times 7. Let's now do the same with 42. 42 is 2 times 21. 21 is 3 times 7. So 42 is the same as 2 times 3 times 7. Now we're going to try and find the highest common factor of both of those. And we can actually look at it either by drawing a Venn diagram or simply looking at the prime factorisation and seeing what factors are common. So we can see that we've got a 2 is common to both of them and a 7 is common to both of them. So the highest common factor of 28, and so the highest common factor of 28 and 42 is 2 times 7, so that's actually 14. Okay, so if we draw ourselves a Venn diagram, this is another way of seeing it, and it also sees what's left. So, drawing our Venn diagram, that's 28, that is 42. Putting our numbers in then, we can see that in the middle, in the intersection, we've got 2 and 7, because they're in both of them, and then in the rest of the problem, so 28, 2 and 7 are used up, so there's just a 2, and that whole thing there makes 28. And 42, we've got 2 and 7, which we've got our 3 left over. Okay, this now means that we can rewrite our number, because we know that 14 is a common factor. So if we went 14 times 2 plus 3, and what we can see here, that we have got our 14 with nothing, which means a times, and it's 14 times both the 2, and the 2 comes from here, and the 3 that comes from here. And in fact, if you expand these brackets out, it means we're going to have 14 times the 2, which makes the 28, and we've got 14 times the 3, which makes 42. But instead of writing 28 plus 42, what we can now say is we can work out that 14 times 2 plus 3 is actually the same as 14 times 5. And 14 times 5 is also equal to 70. So now we've written our equivalent product. So our equivalent product is actually 14 times 5. So there's our product, and that's the same as 28 plus 42. So we've written the sum of two numbers and we've changed it into the product, or an equivalent product, and they both come out to be 70.